Hello everybody, my name is Miriam and my mindful movement idea for you is to have a hand duet. So hopefully you can do this with somebody else. If not, you can do it just with yourself. It can be really slow and calm and mindful, exploring that feeling, the sense of touch, which I know we're all missing at the moment. Really tuning in, you can even shut your eyes as you do it, feeling that. Or it can be very silly, playful, or a bit of both. You can do this sitting down, or you can get it up and let your hand duet move you around the room. It could even turn into a foot duet or a back duet or a head duet, whatever you like. Just make sure that if you are getting up and moving around a lot, that you've got a clear space for dancing and there aren't any obstacles. Enjoy.
One night to be confused, one night to speed up